What if I told you that you could have a phone that balances power, beauty, and innovation in the palm of your hand? The OnePlus 12 is here to redefine what a flagship smartphone should be. In today's video, we're diving deep into the OnePlus 12, its cutting-edge features, stunning design, and everything that makes it stand out. Whether you're a power user, a photography enthusiast, or just someone who wants a phone that works flawlessly day in and day out, this one's for you. Let's get started and see how the OnePlus 12 ranks in the flagship arena of 2024. First up, let's talk about the design, and let me tell you, OnePlus has absolutely nailed it. The OnePlus 12 sports a sleek, premium design with a glass back that feels incredibly smooth in the hand. It's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, ensuring durability even in those unfortunate drops. The metal frame around the edges adds a touch of elegance, and the phone comes in stunning color options like stellar black, silver, and a gorgeous emerald green. Just the right balance of weight and slimness. This phone feels like it was made to be held. You'll notice subtle design tweaks that make it stand out from the competition without shouting for attention. Minimalist, modern, and refined. Now, let's talk about what's easily one of the best displays in 2024. The OnePlus 12 is equipped with a stunning 6.7-inch 2K AMOLED display. The colors pop, the blacks are deep, and the brightness goes up to 2600 nits, making it perfect for outdoor visibility. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or simply scrolling through Instagram, the experience is unmatched. But what truly puts this display ahead of the competition is its 120Hz LTP or refresh rate. This adaptive refresh rate ensures that your scrolling is buttery smooth while also conserving battery life when you're doing less demanding tasks. OnePlus has mastered the art of delivering a fluid, responsive experience that feels effortless every time you touch the screen. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting features of the OnePlus 12, the camera. This phone is equipped with a triple camera setup co-engineered with Hasselblad, and it's nothing short of spectacular. You get a 50MP primary sensor, a 48MP ultra-wide lens, and a 64MP telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom. The camera system is designed to deliver incredible detail, vibrant colors, and stunning dynamic range. What makes it rank higher than its competitors is the low light performance. Thanks to OnePlus' improved night mode and Hasselblad color calibration, your photos come out sharp and clear, even in near dark conditions. And let's not forget about video 4K at 60 FPS with smooth, stabilized footage, making it a top contender for mobile videography. Battery life is where the OnePlus 12 really shines as well. Packed with a 5400 mAh battery, this phone easily lasts a full day, even with heavy use. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or snapping photos, you won't find yourself reaching for the charger too soon. But even if you do, the 100W fast charging technology is a lifesaver. In just 25 minutes, you can get from 0 to 100%, which is absolutely mind-blowing. It also supports 50W wireless charging, so you have options for how you want to power up your device. The software experience on the OnePlus 12 is oxygenous at its finest. Running on Android 14, it's clean, fast, and free of bloatware. OnePlus has refined their software to give you a near-stock Android experience, with thoughtful customizations that add to the overall usability without feeling overwhelming. The fluidity of the interface is something OnePlus has always been known for, and they don't disappoint here. Everything from launching apps to navigating through the UI is fast, responsive, and lag-free. This ranks the OnePlus 12 as one of the best in terms of software experience. Powering the OnePlus 12 is the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset paired with up to 16GB of RAM. What does this mean? Blazing fast performance, whether you're a heavy multitasker or a hardcore mobile gamer. This phone can handle it all without breaking a sweat. Games like PUBG and Genshin Impact run seamlessly at high settings, and you'll notice no lag or stutter during intensive tasks. The phone is also equipped with up to 1TB of UFS 4.0 storage, meaning you'll have more than enough space for all your apps, games, and media. Simply put, this is one of the most powerful smartphones available today, and it ranks among the best performers in its class. The OnePlus 12 isn't just another flagship, it's a statement. It's a device that proves you don't have to compromise on performance, design, or camera quality. Whether you're a creator pushing the limits of mobile photography or someone who simply wants a phone that keeps up with your fast-paced life, the OnePlus 12 is a true companion. Life moves fast, but with the OnePlus 12, you won't miss a beat. Every moment you capture, every task you accomplish will be smoother, faster, and more beautiful than ever before. In a world where technology often feels out of reach, OnePlus continues to deliver high-end innovation at a price that feels just right. So, is the OnePlus 12 your next smartphone? Let me know what feature excites you the most in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated on all things tech. Thank you for watching, and remember, great things are always within reach when you choose the right tools.